Oh, Beyonce, quick! Look at the play. I'm gonna play. Oh, look at Bean. Bean's trying to hit her with the... Jeff, get off them so they can play. They're trying to play. That's Cheez-It, Melon, and Bean. Bean on the ground.
Mom, stop narrating.
People want to know who's who. I'm not a loser. Look at Bean. Bean's like, where'd everyone go? She just...
Why is Kai so big one?
Because he was just outside. Oh, look at Julep jumping on Beyonce. There goes Tate. Oh my God. Mama, your babies are playing. Watch Melon. Ah, big walkers. Nice. Yeah. Look at those babies, Mama. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Who's looking at me? Hi, Beyonce. Hi, Beyonce. Hi, Melon. Hi, Melon. Here comes Tate. And the mama girl. Oh, Mama's here. Blaney. And sound asleep. And Hank. Jeff, what's the matter, Jeff? What's the matter? Nobody's playing with you? Hmm? I know. Julep's starting to walk pretty well. She's trying. She'd rather climb. She really wants to play, Julep. Julep, are you trying to play? Jeff always wants to climb on people. Oh, Julep. It's hard to play when you're not too steady on your feet, huh? There goes Jeff, the big walker. Melon, you are one loud boy. Oh no! Bean, you're falling asleep and poop. That's not good. We could clean that